Okay, good morning, fourth graders. Today you guys will be in lesson 86 in math, which is basically talking about multiplying multiples of 10 and 100. On the board, you will see the problems pulled from the examples in the book. I'm just basically going to explain how to solve this really quickly. For example, one, your problem says, in the weightlifting room, a group of football players lifted 80 pounds of weight 60 times. How many pounds of weight did the players lift altogether? So you're basically going to look at the problem, which is 60 times 80. Look at 6 times 8, which is 48. See how much zeros are in your problem. There are two altogether. There's one by the 60 and one by the 80, which makes it 2. I add 2 zeros to my answer, so my answer now becomes 4,800. Now, example 2, the question says a store has 30 ping pong paddles for sale at $7 each. How much money will the store receive if all of the paddles are sold? So my problem is $7 times 30 paddles. Again, you simply think 7 times 3, which is 21. For this particular problem, I have 3 zeros. I have 2 by my 7 and 1 by my 3. So I add the 3 zeros in my answer. Now, for this problem, I have to go back to my problem and see where the decimal will be properly placed. In my problem, I only have one number that includes a decimal, which is the $7. In this number, the decimal has two digits to the right, which means I have to have the decimal in the place in my answer where 2 digits will be to the right. Therefore, I place my decimal here, leaving these 2 zeros off to the end, which makes my answer $210. Last example in the book says, multiply mentally 400 times 700. Again, you simply just think 7 times 4 is 28. There's 4 zeros in my problem, 2 for my 400 and 2 for my 700. I add those 4 digits in my 4 zeros in my answer. Now I have to do proper placement of the comma. My place value, I say ones, tens, and hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. That means my answer is 280,000. That is the examples and the explanation for lesson 86. I hope this helps you guys out when doing your work. Okay, guys, today in science, all that is due is your chapter checkup for chapter 7, sections B through F if you have not done so already. It is due by tonight by 9 p.m. The later this week, you will have your chapter test. You can utilize your chapter checkup or quizzes that I actually return to you, the comp check questions that you do after every little reading in your book to help you with the answers for your chapter tests. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to send them out via Remind or on email. Thank you. Have a great day.